At the beginning, he chased you. He felt like being able to hold your hand was like winning the lottery. But after he got you, time passed, and he got used to your love, your effort, your care. It stopped feeling special. So he started putting in less. He became less romantic, less attentive. You can feel, you can sense that he cares less and less. When this happens, most women think, he doesn't love me anymore, he found someone else, he's gonna leave me. But most of the time, that's not it at all. He just got used to you. Habit made him forget to appreciate you. Psychologists call this hedonic adaptation. We stop appreciating what's always there. The amazing becomes ordinary, and what used to make him excited becomes background noise. You're always there, so he assumes that you will always be. But if this continues like this, the relationship is heading for disaster. So how to fix it? What can you do? Let me show you how. By the way, I'm Vincent, I'm from Spain, I have 1 million followers, a best-selling book in China, thousands of women coach over more than 10 years. Now I'm doing the same in English. So remember to subscribe, don't miss the next one. First, let's look at what not to do, because I tell you, most women do the opposite of what works. When they feel him pulling away, what do? They triple down. More effort, more giving, more chasing, more begging, more people pleasing, lowering standards, whatever it takes. But please think about it. We have to be logical about this. If you've been treating him well all this time and he still took you for granted, so what does this mean? Do you think doing more of the same will help? I'm sorry, but that's like saying, I've been gaining some weight lately. What can I do? Oh, I know, I'm gonna eat more cake. It just doesn't work. Tripling down on being good to him, treating him better, doesn't work. It leads to two outcomes. You feel exhausted, and he appreciates you even less. So it's time for a different approach. The right approach. Think of it this way. Right now, being with you, it's like he's eating gourmet meals every day. He's so used to it that nothing tastes special anymore. You could serve him the most expensive dish that he'd barely notice. But what if you made him fast for a few days? I guarantee you that after a few days of no food at all, you just give him a piece of bread and he will think that this is the most amazing, most delicious food he's ever eaten. Same thing in relationships. Break the hedonic adaptation. Let him learn to appreciate you again. So great, this sounds good, but how do you do this? I tell you how. You let him taste your absence. You let him feel the emptiness of you not being around. You let him experience a little discomfort. Now, attention, disclaimer. I'm not saying just ghost him, never respond to his texts, block him, break up with him. I'm not saying this. It's not that serious. Remember, he still cares about you. It's just that he got used to it. His effort muscle fell asleep. You just need to wake it up, make him notice your value again. To do this, simply pull back a little bit, reclaim your personal space. Especially if you've been clingy, always text him, always around him, making him the center of the universe. Now it's time to put yourself back at that center. Take all this time and energy that you've been pouring into him and redirect it to yourself. For instance, let's say that before he got used to coming back home and there was always a warm meal and a nice smile. And that's nice, that's actually very nice. But remember, he stopped appreciating it. So you have to create some contrast. Now he comes home and you're not there. You're maybe at Pilates or out with your girlfriend. Your attitude towards him, it's not cold. You're still normal, but less available, less giving. You start doing more activities. When friends invite you to go somewhere, before you would say no because you wanted to stay with him. But now, you say yes. Shift your energy and attention away from him. The goal here is to become less dependent on him while he senses, while he feels your absence. All those things he took for granted, your constant contact, your updates, your affection, your care, suddenly they are less or they're gone. This contrast will make him feel like there's something off. This contrast will finally make him notice you again. He starts worrying, asking, where are you? When are you coming back? He becomes more proactive, wants to spend more time with you, because after fasting, he now misses the beautiful flavors that you used to give him. So the logic is simple. When you're always there, always giving, he stops appreciating you. So when this happens, you just need to make him feel your absence. Create contrast. Then he'll wake up and start valuing you again. It's like a gentle slap that suddenly makes him realize, wow, she's amazing. What was I thinking? I must treat her better. By the way, this works on any man, but if he's avoidant, it works even better. Because avoidant men fear pressure and feeling trapped. So the more you chase, the more they run. The closer that you try to get, the farther that they run away. But when you step back, when you stop chasing so hard, when you focus on yourself, his defense system relaxes. He stops seeing you as pressure. He stops feeling suffocated by the relationship. And when an avoidant man feels your absence, something magical happens. He starts missing you and moves towards you. So if you feel that your man has stopped appreciating you, don't give up on him. You just need to make him see you again. And if you're anxious that he's avoidant, I made a free guide for you on how to handle this situation. The link in the description.